Hello everyone, for this video my group member and I will present about Discrete Mathematics case study. My name is Muhammad Ashhafi bin Muhammad Rasul from class DDT2C and my matric number is 10DDT21F1080. Okay, let's continue with the presentation. As a manager in a telecommunication company, you need to plan how to lay cable for a cable internet network service between 10 places in an area. Laying cable is very expensive, so you need to keep the total length of cable as short as possible. Make sure all the locations are connected. They do not have to be connected directly, as the signal travel along with the cable at the speed of light. What is the shortest length of cable required now? Okay, so this is the map that we choose for this task. As you guys can see, we already choose 10 places, mark it with black circle outline. The first location is DXC Technology, and the second is Regen Rehab Hospital, and the third is Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya, and continue with Chapati.com, Ambient Living, Kyogo Robotic Training Center, PJ Industrial Park, Fly Kids Gymnastic, Kings Hall Cafe, and the last one is Proton Regal Motor 4S Petaling Jaya. So in between each place have specific distance in meter. So that's all for me, and Helmi Naim will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Helmi Naim bin Muhammad Roslan and my matrix number is 10DDT21F1072. So now I will continue the presentation. So yes, we can see at this slide, I want to represent the task 1 for the second part, which is the question is make sure all locations are connected. They do not have to be connected directly, as the signal travel along with the cables at the speed of light. What is the shortest length of cable required now? First of all, we need to circle 10 places as stated on that question. Next, after completing the round of 10 places, we put an edge at each place to each place, and each place will be connected by the edges. Next, each of those edges we have stated the distance from one place to another. You can take a look at the diagram I provide on this slide. Next, on the question, it has been stated that we need to show where the shortest edges are in each of available edges at 10 places of mention. So as you can see, I have highlighted the shortest edges with the yellow highlight as in the picture I am showing here. So the short edges that I mark as follows. There are 5 edges whose distance is 150, and there are 2 edges whose distance is 200 meter, and the last one, there are 2 edges whose distance is 300 meter. So the total class for the dead shorted edges is 1750. So as we can see in the picture, it is graphical diagram. So that's all from me. The next question, my friends will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris Hakami bin Basir. My number matric is 10DDT21F1086. Now I will present about task 2. The first question is list down 10 places that you lay cables. And starting from the number 1 is DXC Technology, and the second one is Regen Rehab Hospital. The third one is Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya, and the fourth one is Chapati.com, and 5 is Ambient Living, 6 is Kyogo Robotic Training Center, and 7 is PJ Industrial Park, 8 is Fly Kids Gymnastic, 9 is King Hall Cafe, and 10 is Proton Regal Motor 4S Petaling Jaya. The next question is construct a binary search tree for the 10 places in the list. Now, I use the number of the list that has been laid the cable, starting from the DXC Technology. On the left of DXC Technology is Chapati.com, and then on the left is ambient living. Now, on the right, DXC Technology is Region Rehab Hospital, and then on the left of Region Rehab Hospital is Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya, and then on the left of Nissan Centers Petaling Jaya is Kyogo Robotic Training Center, and then PJ Industrial Park, and then Fly Kit Gymnastic. On the right of PJ Industrial Park is Proton Regal Motor 4S Petaling Jaya. And then on the right of Nissan Center Petaling Jaya is King Hall Cafe. And that's it all from me and my presentation. The next question will be presented by Zuhairi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zahiri bin Azrusani. My metric number is 10GT21F1063. I will continue for the question number 3 and number 4. The question for number 3 is from the binary search tree. State the root, list internal node, height of the tree, and 3 degree. Firstly, state the root is DXC Technology. Second, list is ambient living, Fly Kids Gymnastic, Proton Regal Motors 45 Petaling Jaya, Kings Hall Cafe. Third, internal node is Chapti.com, PJ Industrial Park, Kyogo Robotic Training Center, Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya, and Region Rehab Hospital. Fourth, height of the tree is 5 level. Fifth, 3 degree is 2 degree. Next, the question number 4 is construct a complete binary tree for the 10 places in the list. The complete binary tree of each level except possibly the last is fully filled and prioritize the left first. Start with DXC Technology. Next below the left is Region Rehab Hospital, and the right is Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya. Then under Region Rehab Hospital, the left is Chapti.com and the right is ambient living. Next, under Chapti.com, the left is Kyogo Robotic Training Center, and on the right is PJ Industrial Park. Next, under ambient living, on the left is Fly Kids Gymnastic, and the last under Nissan Service Center Petaling Jaya, on the left is Kings Hall Cafe, and on the right is Proton Regal Motors 4S Petaling Jaya. Okay, that's all from our group presentation. Thank you.